I request Swamiji to do the honor. Academic Excellence Award LKG, Hridan Tejas. UKG, Ane Praveen. First standard, Ira Vinayak. Second standard, Arlin Renesh. Third standard, Tanvi Sugesh. Fourth standard, Srida AP. Fifth standard, Aradhya Singh. For sixth standard, Nihara S. Seventh standard, Aradhya Nirish UK. Eighth standard, Aparna Nayana AP. Ninth standard, Ameya Kurincheri. 10th standard, Diya Santosh. 1, Harshini Manoj. Congratulations to all the winners, and I request all of you to give them a big round of applause. Thank you, Swamiji, for honoring our kids. Next, we are moving on to the CBSE Board Exam 2024 Aggregate Toppers. I would like to welcome Srimati Girija to honor our kids. Sana Arun Kumar, the first topper of CBSE 12th standard. Sana Arun Kumar. Our second toppers are Niranjana Deepak NK and Yashas. Second topper, Niranjana Deepak NK. Our third topper, Yashaswin Mukunda. Congratulations. Now, full A1 scorer of our plus 2, Niranjana Deepak NK. CBSE Board Exam, Class 10th toppers. The first topper, Harshini Manoj. Our second toppers are Shivanand Sunny and Alka Anil. Our third topper, Milan Manoj Wati. Full A1 scorer for 10th standard, Milan Manoj Vati. Next, our centum scorer, Alka Anil for subject Sanskrit. Our centum scorer teacher award goes to Sajisha Sujit for Sanskrit. Thank you, ma'am, for honoring our kids. Next, moving on to Sahodya A grade winners. I would like to welcome Brahmachari Samaradhya Chaitanya ji to do the honor. Category 1, Nainika Jayaraj for folk dance. Category 2, KK Aradhya for Bharatnatyam. Ishan Suno for elocution English. Vaishnavi P for folk dance. Arnav Sujit for mono act. Nirmala Alex for recitation English. Category 3, Parvati TC for Bharatnatyam. Sriveda Udayguma for light music. Anchal Jayaguma for painting oil color. Sanchal AN and Devakirti Shaj for PowerPoint presentation. Aparna Naina for recitation English. Nivrati Sandeep, recitation Malayalam. Shravan Viraj, recitation Sanskrit. Devananda P. Nambia, story writing Hindi. Category 4, Vishnupriya K for anchoring English. Alka Anil, essay writing English. Vedas K. Sajeevan, story writing Hindi. Irina Shashi, violin Eastern. Thank you, ma'am, for honoring our kids. It is now time to honor one of the brightest stars of our event, someone who has excelled in multiple art forms and captivated us all with their exceptional talent and creativity. I am delighted to invite our Kala Pratibha, Devakirti Shaj, and the Kala Tilagam Irina Shashi to come forward and receive the well-deserved prize. I would like to invite our Swamiji to do the honor. the sports arena, the sports champions of this year. We are thrilled to announce the titles of Sports Champion Boy and Sports Champion Girl. May I now invite Sri Kailas K, the Sports Champion Boy, to receive his award. Vaiga Srijit, the Sports Champion Girl. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you, Swamiji, for honoring our kids. Next, Thinkapreneur Award winners. I would like to invite Samaradhyamala Chaitanya ji to do the honor. The Thinkapreneur Award winners are Jishnu K, Arush Krishna and Anush Prem Krishna. Books are a window to the world. It is time to honor the Best Reader Award. The award goes to Varada Sugesh of 5th Standard. Let's give her a big round of applause. Thank you, ma'am. It is time to announce the Best House Award, the most coveted honor that recognizes teamwork, spirit and outstanding performance across various events and activities throughout the year. And the Best House Award goes to Anandamai. May I invite the house mistress Sajisha along with her students. Let's all give them a thunderous round of applause and congratulations to the winning house. May I now invite Swamiji to do the honor. Our school has been positioned first at districtal level for National Hindi Academy, Pratibha Milan Hindi Scholarship Examination 2024-25. May I now invite the rank holders on stage. First rank holder Aradhya C of 5th B, second rank holders Arlin Ranish of 2nd A and Vihan Nambiar of 5th B. Third rank holders Abinya T of 1st A and Aradhya S Ram of 9th A. Also, I invite Sajita Miss